This video will explore the common reasons why an iPhone won't charge past 80% and provide specific solutions to help resolve the issue and extend the lifespan of your device's battery. Part 1. Why does my iPhone only charging to 80%? If your iPhone charges only to 80%, it could be due to 1. Optimized battery charging pauses charging at 80% to extend battery life, resuming to 100% before use. 2. High ambient temperature overheating can limit charging to 80% to protect the battery. 3. Declining battery health per battery health can reduce charging efficiency. 4. Charger or cable issues. Non-original or damaged chargers or cables may prevent full charging. Part 2. How to fix iPhone won't charge past 80%. Here are some solutions you can use to resolve this issue. Fix 1. Disable optimized battery charging. Step 1. On your iPhone, open Settings, Battery, Health and Charging. Step 2. Turn off the optimized battery charging option. Step 3. Reconnect the charger and check if it charges past 80%. Fix 2. Replace charging equipment. Use an Apple Original charger and cable, or MFI certified third-party accessories. Also, clean the charging port to remove any dust or debris that might be blocking the connection. Fix 3. Lower device temperature. High device temperatures can slow or stop charging. To prevent your iPhone from charging past 80, move it to a cool, ventilated area, close power-hungry apps, and pause charging to let it cool down before reconnecting. Fix 4. Check battery health. Step 1. Open Settings, Battery Health and Charging to check the battery's maximum capacity. Step 2. If the maximum capacity is below 80, it is recommended to contact Apple support for a battery replacement. Fix 5. Restart the iPhone. iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, or later. Press and hold the volume and side buttons, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then press the side button to turn it on. iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE2 and 3 are Gen. Press and hold the side button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then press the side button to turn it on. iPhone SE1 Street Gen, iPhone 5, or earlier, press and hold the top button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then press the top button to turn it on. Fix 6. Reset all settings. If previous solutions don't work, try resetting all settings on your device. This restores all settings to their default values and may fix issues caused by incorrect or faulty settings. Step 1. Open Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Select Reset all settings. Step 3. Enter your passcode and confirm the action. After the reset is complete, reconnect the charger and test if the issue is resolved. Fix 7. Use iOS System Recovery. If previous methods don't work, the charging issue may be due to a system malfunction. iOS System Recovery is a professional tool that can quickly fix iOS system errors without data loss. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. After that, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to continue. The tool will begin downloading the required iOS firmware. Step 4. After the firmware download finishes, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your device, resolving the issue of the iPhone battery won't charge past 80%. Fix 8. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists, it may be due to a hardware malfunction, such as a damaged battery or faulty charging port. In this case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance.